Waqf means actually detention, putting a property as a block on a property that it cannot be sold, it cannot be mortgaged, it cannot be even used for purposes that are non-Islamic. So it's a detention of property. But the legal system currently, the act even tries to balance it with as a trust. I think it does so because the central government gets to make this act because there is no way otherwise that they would have power to make such a legislation. But this thing, they try to make it equal to what trust will look after reasonable charitable purposes. But what happens is the point of a waqf and its perpetuity is exactly that this property, once a waqf, will always remain a waqf. The idea of giving property into waqf or as an awqaf is basically to give it to Allah so that nobody else ever claims it and it stays like that. So it's a perpetual detention of property. They could put anything on that list in that survey, and it's not as if the person who's putting it on the list or the list which is going to the board, Waqf board, needs to be justified before anyone. Once it's there on the list in this survey, it is a Waqf property once approved by the board, and they give it to the state government for amending their own land records. When those land records, when amended, are notified, and you get just, I guess, 1 year to challenge that if you get to know about it, and if you're not challenged, it's gone. So this is the procedure. You grab land, basically.